All right, guys, we've got the Weeryyi wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. It supports 5.8 gigahertz. It's 1080p and 60 hertz, up to 60 hertz, and it's full HD wireless audio video up to 820 feet distance. So this is going to be the best way to transmit HDMI. There's a lot of different things that are out there now, and I've tried several of them. First thing I'm going to show you, what we're going to do is I'm going to unbox this first, just kind of show you what we're dealing with. Then I'm going to, at the end of this, actually do my laptop to my TV, just to, show you how seamless and easy it is. Also how high quality and stable it is. It's way better than any other ways you've been doing that. First of all, I want to tell you the box is this is Apple level box right here. Now, dude, I'm impressed with this. This case, like, dude, you could use this HDMI transmitter, attach it to your camera, and actually broadcast to a projector or a TV or something like that. But this case is amazing. You've got the antennas here, and you've got the receiver and the transmitter here. And then inside here is where you have all the bags. We're going to get a greater look as I install these, but here's what the receiver looks like. Here's what the transmitter looks like. And yes, I can tell you that, let me look. So these can work with cameras. These can actually install onto cameras, so they're stable hanging on the camera itself. But let's go install this and show you how easily it works. All right, guys, we're here. I'm going to show you how it works real quick. We've got the transmitter hooked up to my MacBook here. So all you need is an HDMI from the transmitter to the computer. We've got that there. And then you do need a power supply. So they provide a USB-C cord. So I've just got a USB-C cord there going straight into my computer with the USB. So that side is plugged in. The other side, what we have is the receiver here. The receiver, all you do is you just have the HDMI going from the receiver to the TV. And then we need the power supply over on this end. Now, before I plug this in, I do want to say, the cool thing about these is you can actually buy battery packs that power these wirelessly if you're using them for like a big event and you need to like attach them to a camera or something like that. But here's how easy this thing is to use. We're going to plug it in. It should say booting. There we go. And we should be up and running here in a matter of seconds for the most part. And I do it live on this channel just because I want to show you guys how simple this is. You should have it. There it is. All right. So that's the second display for my computer. So I basically I do this live because I'm not a techie person. I'm not like the IT guy at the company or like your IT friend. I don't know anything about anything. You know more than me. So if I can get this set up, literally plug it in and get it set up in a matter of about 15 to 30 seconds with such a stable connection, this is, if you're on this product page, this is kind of a stupid thing not to get because you're definitely getting the best. Why not just get the best?